guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open the box of tricks and shots. And now I'm opening it. They're all falling out. I didn't know which one was upside down like this. And the holder right now. So, you have to be careful, guys, or else I might trick you or something. Oh no, guys! I'm about to give you this egg. What's wrong with it? Let's feed it to the fridge. Tricked you guys. It was just a fake egg. So it's not really dirty. Next trick, I'm going to show you this. Ew. Careful of these. They're scary and I might trick you with these. Oh no, guys. There's a real thingy on here. Get it off me, please. Well, bit me and hurt me. Haha, tricked you guys. That was just a joke. It's just one of those fake beetles or something. Look at them. Don't they look scary? And there's one more. There is. Maybe I won't show you it. Another day. We can show you the last thing of number 2 video. Like tomorrow, I can do it. This. So, this is how you do it. You have to trick people. But there's water inside this cup of water, and there's no water in Mom. And be careful, guys. I might trick you. Hey, guys, I want to tell you something. Are you thirsty, everyone? Well, I got a glass of water for you. Drink it. There's water in it because I tricked you guys. You should have been more careful, everybody. You should have got some water from your water bottle. Oh yeah, I forgot about our water bottles. Oh, so be careful, guys. I might trick you with this. Guys, do you want some Oreos? Oh, you do. Then here's one. Here. Huh? I'm gonna put it on the floor. Don't! We want some thingies. Oh, hurry. Choo, choo, choo. Haha, tricked you. There's no thingies in here. Ew, one is not upside down and one is. Be careful, guys, since I might trick you with this. Well, guys, I just want to ask my mommy something. So, can I just tell mommy something, everybody? Oh, I can. So thank you for saying that, guys. Well, maybe I don't want to do this. I think my mommy doesn't know what it is. So, guys, I'm doing it now. Oh no, guys, look, my hand has shrunk down. Look, my hand is shrunk down. Look at it, it's shrunk down. Haha. I tricked you, everyone. This is fun tricking you guys. Ooh, it's so stretchy, isn't it, guys? I wish you had one of these for Christmas, but you don't. everyone, but I hope you do, since I don't want my food to get down from, since that's a very bad thing. Of course, well, I'm gonna stretch it out like this. Look at it. Oop. I'm back. Just put it in the cup. Put everything in this cup. That's tiny. Ooh, this we are. I'm making a glass of water of bugs. Another one I need, and just one more I need. Ooh, just one, two more I need. There. Got it. Yes. So this one. Now I have to put in. Look at this. Not toothpaste. There's actually no toothpaste in here, guys. Go, guys. Now you can put in. So hard. Good. Now just have to slip it in. Come on. Hurry, guys. That's fine. So anyway, I can't do that thing. Go. Now I have to put some nice ketchup in it. Gone, I have to put some water in it. Guys, I will be in a minute here. Hey guys, I'm just gonna have to do this. Put the finger in here and then use it as a ketchup. A finger ketchup. Ketchup in there now. Let's put a bit of toothpaste in there. Oh, I feel something. I think it's toothpaste. I think it is. Come on. Toothpaste. Come on. Can't get it out. I think I need a bit of help from my mommy, everyone. I've got the toothpaste, everyone. I use a bit of help from my mommy. Now I'm gonna pour the toothpaste in. Toothpaste is in there. Wait a second. I think one thing is missing. Some Oreos. And then mash it up with the thingy. So there. Of course, it's not really good. It's just to make a black. Not a nice potion. Fill it up. It's stuck. It's like. Yeah. Stop. Here we go. Now I did it. Now I made some yucky Oreos in there now. Oh, it's so yucky. Oh, yeah. they were yucky. So, next thing, I'm gonna trick you with this. But haha, I tricked you, everyone. No, I'm not gonna trick you with it. Oh no, guys! Look, there's a pencil stuck on my hand. Can you please get that out? No, you'll hurt yourself with it. Haha, tricked you, everyone. It was just fake. I tricked you with it. Guys, I'm gonna show you every toy in this box that you really wanted when you were a little kid. I'm opening up, guys. Wow, there's a spider! How did that get it? Oh no, and maybe you had the surprises. Help me, guys. No, it's scary, everyone. Oh, so, I hope I can get it off. Oh, I can't. It's just too scary to get. Haha, trick you, guy. It was a fake spider. Look at it. Close it up. And I wonder what this should do. Well, I hope I won't. I bet I won't trick you again now. Guys, look, I'm drawing on my hand. Oh no, she's drawing on her hand. That's not very good. Haha, tricked you. It's because it was a fake pencil. Doesn't it look scary? How about I could use this fake pencil for here, since I just put on my hand. Now it's all dirty. Mix it all up. Mix. Next, I have to pour all these things in. No, that's one thing. I think it is good. It's now one book. It is so dirty. Yuck. Now another one is. Put it in there. Maybe I should put all the ingredients in there. Super dirty. These things. Everything is dirty and super dirty now. Ooh, look at it. This ketchup is extra dirty. Guys, did you know that I was making super yucky, disgusting ketchup today? Oh, you did. So please subscribe all my videos so you get hundreds more videos from Google. But maybe first, I want to show you how you trick everyone with these bugs. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, I forgot that. This is just to show you what every things that's scary. Ooh, it's a frog. What's the frog when I was big and I was watching that frog video that eats things. I thought the frog was gonna eat me when I watched a video of frog that eats loads of creatures, but dirty creatures that lives outside. Ooh, here's a snake. And I thought it will eat me, of course. Ooh, look at this bug. And that's all the things that's scary, everyone. Bye, guys. I will see you in my next video.